Hello, in this presentation I'm going to show a little bit about my MegaDesk project. To start, I'm going to show the add quote view. This page I added just a simple validation that requires to add another name. Um, Depth cannot be smaller than 12 and not bigger than 48 if I'm not wrong. So if I add cannot, so I'm gonna put like 20. And width, I also added this validation cannot be greater than 95, so try to add a number which is greater than 95, actually 98, 96, 97 for example. Yeah, cannot. So 90. And as I insert the numbers, you can see here that the values are changing. Can add here the number of drawers, 1, 2, until 7. If I add 8 here, it will show me the error icon. Let's say I'm gonna put 7. And here you can change the material. As you can see here, it changes. And here I can change the number of days. And I click calculate, it calculates the total. I also have some views here, which I'm going to implement later. I have here all the materials, and down here I can exit.